Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send email with Mailchimp. First, navigate to your Mailchimp dashboard and locate the Create button. From there, you'll begin the process of building your email campaign. This initial step is crucial for setting up your communication effectively. We'll cover selecting your audience, designing your content, and finally, sending your message out to the world. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Once you click Create, select Email and then Regular for a standard send. Give your campaign an internal name that only you will see. Next, choose your audience. You can send to all subscribers or use segmentation to target specific groups based on demographics or engagement. Remember to personalize the field for a more engaging experience. Finally, set your name and email address clearly. Now for the creative part, designing your email. Mailchimp offers various templates, or you can start with a blank canvas. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop builder to add content blocks for text, images, and call-to-action buttons. Ensure your content is clear and concise. Before sending, always preview your email on both desktop and mobile, and send a few test emails to yourself to check for any errors or broken links. The final step is to review your campaign. Double-check your audience, subject line, and content one last time. You have the option to send your email immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Scheduling can be beneficial for reaching your audience when they are most active. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other fantastic deals we've curated just for you. After your email is sent, monitor its performance to understand what resonates with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.